Hey guys, this is me without a hat. And we are doing a Walmart haul. So, Walmart haul, take one and only one. There will be no pauses. Alright, first off, I got this Pioneer baking mix. I like it because the recipe that I use for the peanut butter blossoms, I use sweetened condensed milk and this and vanilla and I can't remember what else, but this here makes it so easy. If you want to take an easy way, a fast, easy way out for those. I don't always do that, but I like it. And let's see if I can tell you the prices, because I know that's what you like, the prices. See if I can find that. That was $4.62. And Billy he's wanting to make a cheese ball. So he got some beef, budding, and some green onions. And that beef was 78 cents a piece. And the green onions, I think they were like 79 cents or something.
Yeah.
Ooh, I can't find them. Corned beef. I can't find them. But they were like 79 cents, I think.
Yeah.
And we are going to have hot dogs over our burn outside, over a fire pit. So we got some buns, 8-pack of buns. Oh, the green onions were 96 cents. Woo. And the buns were $2.98. I got a thing of pumpkin pie spice, and that was $5.12 for this little thing. Yeah.
That's a lot of money.
And we got home, and I started looking. I'm like, where'd that sweetened condensed milk come from? I didn't put that in there. And what'd you say?
Yes, you did.
Yes, you did.
I watched you put it in there.
I didn't even know I put it in my cart. So I'm like, how did that get in there?
Blonde.
Ugh. So, the Walmart brand of sweetened condensed milk was... guys, I know you just like me to read these off, but I can't remember.
Put your glasses on.
I mean, I can't... You have to go through every one. I can't find it. Corned beef buns. I should mark them off once I get one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, $1.78. And Billy wanted some salsa, so he got medium chunky salsa on the border.
That was like 3 something.
Let's see. Looking for a 3. Yep, $3.24.
Yeah.
What else I got? And some Heinz ketchup. This is the 20 ounce. Yeah, I think next time I just need to mark them off. $3.48 for that. Oh, and he's on a kick with this spiced cider. He's been putting a couple in his thermos and taking it out to the shop, so he don't have to come back in very often. He's putting 2 of them in it and heating them up. So these right here are $2.87, and you get 10 packets.
They're really good.
So yeah, they are. And I got some the semi-sweet Walmart brand, the mini chips, because I like those. And those were $3.77 a piece. And I got a butterscotch one. And that one was $3.77 also. Now, I don't know if people wonder, but I don't like the Nestle brand of semi-sweet. I would much rather get Kroger or Walmart brand. They're not, you know, with me with chocolate, but that's not as strong. And Billy's into he likes these 2 better than the Nestle, because the Nestle is just strong. I don't know what it is, but... And I don't know if you can see, but I got things setting out here. I'm getting ready to make caramel apples. So I got all that stuff setting there. And all we could find is what I had in my drawer was just popsicle sticks. And those aren't very, very thick. Like, you're going to hold your apple, you're going to put stuff on it, it may come off. And I know that's what we used to use years ago. But we could not find regular apple sticks. And I know where I can. Probably have to go on Amazon to get them. So all we found was chopsticks. Wooden chopsticks. And they have a point on the end a little bit. So Billy's going to cut these off about here. And then we'll just use these. And these were... I've seen them on there. They're 3 something. $3.48. And that's expensive for 12 pairs. So there's 24 on here. So, you know, break that down. It won't be too bad. But he still has to modify them. And I know some of you are like, why in the world do you want a big hook? But look at this big crochet hook.
Oh my goodness.
You didn't even see that, huh?
No.
Because I have some of that, like you finger do it.
Yeah.
Your crochet, the big. So I thought maybe I would just use a hook and try that. Which I can do, make blankets with hand crochet. But I wanted to try it with this and see. Because I already have some of the yarn back there. A bunch of it. To see if I can do it with this and make them. So, and that was 5 something.
Ooh.
What? That'll have that forever. Or at least until I lose it.
Well, that'd be next week.
Okay, so, we bought a 28 pack of water, 20 ounce, and that was $4.97. And I bought a thing of peanut butter, which is over there, for $3.98. So our total today was $67.05 for this that you can set right here on the counter.
Which is not much, is it?
Well, yeah, there's no meat.
Yeah.
Well, there's chip beef.
I mean, that's a lot of money for just that tiny bit of stuff.
Yeah. So.
Come on, Mr. Trump. Bring that grocery prices down.
And I did get some shaving cream. I didn't think you guys needed to see my shaving cream, but let's pull it up. Because that's part of my total. It's right there. I've never gotten it before, but I got the Walmart. It's raspberry. I smell good as I'm shaving, I guess. So there's that. So I did want to make sure that I did get that since I gave you a total of everything. And that was it. Absolutely everything. All right. So that's the end of this one. And we're going to put up the caramel apple one soon too. So if you want to see how I make caramel apples, how I attempt to make caramel apples.
You'll be fine.
This is my first time with this recipe. Because I made them years ago just by melting the caramels and all that. But today, we're making our own caramel. And we're going to put some decorations like M&Ms or pretzels and something on them and drizzle chocolate. We're going to give it a try. As I say, try. If it doesn't work out, it's still going to taste good.
Oh, yeah.
It might not look pretty, but it's going to taste good.
That's all matters.
All right, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And we love you all. And thanks for watching The Biker Baker and
Mr. Smith, y'all.
peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gator.